Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Welcome back to Money Steam. Today we will discuss business ideas specially tailored for teens. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash, gain valuable experience, or just unleash your inner entrepreneur, we've got you covered. First of all, what makes a good business idea for teens? A good business idea for teens should be home-based or easily accessible, offer flexible hours to accommodate their school schedules, and require a low financial investment. Teens often face transportation limitations and time constraints due to school, so a business that meets these criteria can be more feasible for them to start and operate successfully while managing limited resources. Now let's start with the business ideas. Retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is an intriguing and straightforward business concept that can be a great fit for you. Especially for those who are internet savvy, it offers a simple path to earning a decent profit. The essence of retail arbitrage is to hunt down high-quality items at a low cost and then resell them in a different marketplace for a higher price. Many individuals who venture into retail arbitrage start by exploring local garage sales. They uncover valuable items and subsequently sell them on popular platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Tech Tutor. You know your way around smartphones, tablets, and computers like a pro, right? Well, guess what? There are plenty of folks out there who could use a hand getting the hang of these gadgets. That's where you come in. If you've got the patience and skills, you can make some extra cash as a tech tutor. It's not just about the basics. You could be helping with cool software, fixing common issues, and even dishing out tips on staying safe online. So why not turn your tech talents into some serious pocket money? Plus, it's a rad way to give back by helping others level up their tech game. Personalized errand running service. If you're a teen with access to transportation, consider starting an errand running service. This business not only provides a valuable service to your community, but also offers a flexible schedule that you can tailor to your availability. You could help neighbors with grocery shopping, picking up prescriptions, or even dropping off packages. It's a win-win situation. You make money and they save time. Seasonal chores provider. Embrace the changing seasons by offering your services to help with various seasonal chores. As the holidays approach, homeowners often find themselves swamped with tasks. From putting up and taking down decorations to shoveling snow and raking leaves, there's a lot you can do to spread some seasonal cheer. Plus, this gig allows you to get into the festive spirit while earning some extra cash. Sell handmade goods. Your artistic skills can turn into a thriving business. If you can create unique clothes, jewelry, delicious treats, or pet supplies, you're set. Think about beaded or textile jewelry, handmade soaps or bath bombs, pet treats or leashes, greeting cards. Sell through your own website, platforms like Etsy, or local events. Use social media to showcase your creations and build a following. Choose something you're passionate about. Your passion will drive your success. Graphic designing business. If you're both artistic and tech savvy, starting a graphic design business could be a perfect fit. You can create eye-catching designs for a variety of purposes, from custom t-shirts for friends to marketing materials for local businesses. As you build your portfolio and reputation, you may even find opportunities to take on bigger projects. It's a fantastic way to turn your creativity into a lucrative venture. Live streaming gamer. For avid gamers, live streaming offers an exciting opportunity to monetize your passion. Platforms like Twitch.tv provides a space for you to showcase your skills and personality to a global audience. Engaging with your viewers through commentary and interactive features can turn your gaming sessions into a profitable venture. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key to building a dedicated fan base. You can also check our video on how to make money on Twitch to know more about this topic. Photographer and videographer business. Whether you have a dedicated camera or just a smartphone, you can dive into the world of photography or videography. There are various niches to explore, from capturing candid moments at events to creating engaging content for local businesses' social media. With a bit of practice and an eye for detail, you can transform your passion for visuals into a thriving business. Start a pet care business. In your teen years, you're at just the right age to kickstart a pet care enterprise. There are various avenues to explore, such as launching a dog walking service or providing pet sitting assistance, either in your own space or by visiting your clients' homes. Much like with babysitting and other local services, the success of this venture can largely hinge on word-of-mouth recommendations. To extend your offerings, consider setting up an online store where you can not only advertise your services, but also sell additional pet-related products like treats, stylish collars, or cozy dog sweaters. Connect with fellow pet owners in your area by distributing your business cards at a nearby dog park. This way, you'll be reaching out to potential clients right in your own neighborhood. House cleaning business. If you're already familiar with the ins and outs of household chores, you're in a prime position to launch a house cleaning business. This venture involves more than just tidying up. It's about transforming spaces into clean, welcoming environments. You'll become a trusted helper for local homeowners, taking care of tasks like dusting, mopping, and vacuuming. Your attention to detail and reliability can lead to satisfied clients who appreciate your dedication to keeping their homes in top shape. House sitting. Imagine being the go-to person for families heading out on vacations. House sitting isn't just about keeping an eye on things, it's about providing peace of mind. Your responsibilities will likely include collecting mail, watering plants, and ensuring the house remains secure. This role plays a crucial part in allowing families to enjoy their travels worry-free. By offering your house-sitting services, you're not only earning money, but also contributing to the sense of security within your community. Web designing business. In the digital age, businesses thrive with a strong online presence. As a budding web designer, you hold the key to creating these virtual spaces. Small businesses, in particular, often seek affordable web design solutions. By offering your expertise at a reasonable rate, you're enabling them to establish their presence in the digital world. This venture isn't just about crafting websites, it's about empowering local businesses to compete and succeed online. Your skill and creativity can be the driving force behind their digital growth. Academic tutoring business. If you've got a knack for a certain subject like math, science, writing, or reading, consider becoming an academic tutor. You're not only helping others, but reinforcing your own understanding too. And guess what? You can even assist with test prep for exams like the SATs, ACTs, or AP tests. It's like turning your expertise into a superpower for both you and your peers. Car washing and detailing business. Ever thought about turning car cleaning into a gig? You can. It's a breeze to start a car washing business with just a bucket, a soft sponge, some good window cleaner, and a little elbow grease. You can make cars sparkle. Plus, who wouldn't want their ride looking like it just rolled off the lot? You'd be the go-to person in the neighborhood for that fresh, clean car feeling. Childcare and babysitting business. Think about offering childcare or babysitting services. It's a dependable way to give back to your community. Whether it's during weekends or after school, you'll be the trusted person looking after kids. Taking a local childcare or babysitting class could set you apart and give you extra confidence in making sure everyone has a blast in a safe environment. Lawn care services. Already handling the lawn at home? You're halfway there to starting a lawn care business? Spread the word in your neighborhood, and you might find yourself with a list of happy clients. Summers are the prime time for this venture, giving you plenty of chances to show off your skills. And it's not just about mowing. You could offer services like edging, trimming, and general lawn upkeep, turning lawns into outdoor masterpieces. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the world of teen entrepreneurship. We hope you found these business ideas inspiring and informative. Remember, it's never too early to start chasing your dreams and building a future you're passionate about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Money Steam for more amazing content on entrepreneurship, personal development, and much more. If you have any questions or want to share your own teen business success story, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep hustling, stay inspired, and never stop reaching for your goals. Thanks for watching.